Welcome to TFKnowNet, the future education paradigm. When one looks at knowledge, skills and competences come up as the main building blocks. However, the skills and competences required by the labor market evolve at a high rate. According to the Manu Future Vision 2030, 35% of the core engineering skills needed have changed between 2015 and 2020, leaning towards multidisciplinarity, creativity, and so-called soft skills that cannot be effectively taught in a typical classroom. In addition, due to the rapid evolvement of skills required, academia needs to be able to follow industrial needs to generate the right kind of professionals. Most European countries have a well-developed educational system on every level. This is accompanied by owning a lot of high-value industrial equipment, particularly in the most industrialized countries, which is unfortunately quite often underutilized. Meanwhile, manufacturing is one of the main economic and societal pillars of Europe since the mid-1700s. Europe is home to some 2 million manufacturing SMEs, but also to some of the most renowned large enterprises worldwide. The competitive advantage of European manufacturing enterprises is their know-how, nevertheless they still face a number of technical and non-technical challenges in their daily business. In addition, most of them are relatively slow as it regards innovation adoption. On top of this, there has been a huge unexpected disruption, in the form of COVID-19, with a significant impact on the educational institute's operation. All aforementioned facts point to one specific need: an effective remote collaboration paradigm aiming at knowledge exchange. TFKnowNet proposes to take advantage of the unique characteristics of all aforementioned actors and connect them together to the ecosystem benefit, forming a knowledge exchange network. As such, TFKnowNet aims at delivering a program where students, researchers, and companies work together to mutually develop skills, promote and share expert knowledge, through co-creating solutions to industrial manufacturing challenges. This is facilitated via extending the established teaching factory paradigm on a network level, combining it with open innovation practices. But what is a teaching factory? A teaching factory is a novel knowledge transfer concept, acting essentially as a two-way street, where from the factory, practitioners teach students, and from the classroom, students and faculty teach practitioners. This two-way street is realized via the Internet and is a continuous process over a lengthier period of time, with regular sessions and continuous interaction between the factory and the classroom. TFKnowNet extends this paradigm to a network level. The TFKnowNet Knowledge Exchange Network comprises both leading industrial partners, as well as renowned universities, mutually benefiting from the approach. On one hand, industrial partners offer information regarding industrial practices and practical knowledge, along with challenges they face, that are subsequently solved via collaboration with academia. In addition, they request access to test beds to validate a concept before applying it in full scale, or request employee training on a specific subject. On the other hand, academic partners provide novel concepts and approaches, creating solutions to industrial challenges and providing remote access to academic test beds. They also provide access to new talent, and can provide education and training for industrial employees. Benefits arising from such a synergistic approach include effective exploitation of the expertise of individual partners' knowledge, sharing of high-value infrastructure through virtually interconnected labs, transitioning to a teaching and education scheme more suitable for the post-COVID world, closer matching skill needs, and gain attractiveness, as well as promoting multi-nation and multicultural communication. TFKnowNet aims to transform the way education is delivered, resulting in closer matching skill needs. Challenge-based learning, access to expert knowledge, and state-of-art equipment makes learning more intuitive, capturing young talents' imagination and creativity, thus gaining attractiveness. Students deepen their knowledge, applying it to address real-life problems, working with actual deadlines and industrial terms, gaining the right skills to increase their employability, and gaining direct touch with the industry. In addition, the remote collaboration scheme significantly lowers access barriers, allowing equal opportunities to all students regardless of their physical location. Moreover, it develops soft skills such as sense of ownership, presentation, and collaboration skills. Individual expertise and know-how is shared, with industry exchanging ideas, best practices, and success stories, increasing the overall knowledge content and leveraging towards a more efficient and competitive European manufacturing that can attract and maintain talent and entrepreneurship in the EU. To prove the value of the concept, 3 pilot activities have been launched within 2020, involving 7 organizations and more than 80 trainees across 6 European countries. Looking forward to 2021, the consortium partners aim to expand the scope of the network to include additional modalities such as professional training, and implement at least 8 pilot activities, simultaneously tripling the number of participants that benefit from the approach. Towards that goal, we aim to further expand and grow the network beyond the consortium. We are already planning a dedicated area on our website, where any interested party could apply for a pilot. For more information, you can visit our website at www.tfknownet.com and follow us on the social networks. Together we transform education.